What's up mga boss? For today's video, made to order unit bound to Batangas City order. Da64w EveryWagon 4x2 automatic turbo engine, fully aircon, power steering, full power windows, captain seats, double power sliding doors left and right with auto step, fully loaded and modified to expander design. Ito yung request ni sir na lowering kits, 16-inch low profile mags and tires. Japan surplus ang mags and tires po. Ito yung looks ng expander, Reiz copy by Elbros Custom. Midnight blue choice color ni sir, Ansel paint with roof rack carrier gutter type, wrap around body kits, 3.5-inch fog lamps LED with stainless wiper cover, chrome side mirror with signal light, stainless window trim, custom third brake light cover, LTO registration direct to buyer's name with plate. Choose your own color. Midnight blue ang napili ni sir. Use Ansel paint. Gutter type, roof carrier. Check natin ang park light. Yan yung park light niya. And fog lamp from yellow to white pag i-off and on. With remote power sliding doors, left and right with auto step. So far so good pa yung remote niya, originally from Japan. Try natin i-lock. Ayan, auto fold siya. I-unlock natin. Ito yung engine, naka engine detail na yan. Before release, new engine oil, PNS, check everything. So just before release, always good engine tayo mga boss. Selected unit, fresh from unload from the container. So si sir, ang choose niya sa interior color niya is black with combination of red. 9-inch Android stereo Wi-Fi GPS with DashCam. Pwede ka maglagay ng shades. New seat cover, choose your own color. Twin fan ceiling. With turbo timer. New steering wheel cover. Digital aircon panel. All power windows. Yung front, the driver side, passenger side. Yung sa likod, sunroof, and then auto fold, head mirror, power mirror, switch button for power sliding, left and right. Ito yung mga automatic power sliding doors with auto step, left and right. Second row, captain seats, 2 extra pillows with armrest and headrest. Add-on ni sir, RGB leg lamp with remote. Nice. Ito yung dashboard ni sir, matte black with combination of red. So may extra back seats dito sa likuran with storage yan. Kasya dito 7 to 9 seaters. Ito yung VIP ceiling. Ito yung storage niya. Detachable ito, so pwede mo i-move kung marami kang karga. Pag EveryWagon, 4 yung speaker niya. And naka-plastic halos sidings niya sa loob. Foldable yung second row na captain seat. Pag ma-fold dyan, kasya yung motor dyan. Ito yung back view ng EveryWagon. Curb glass, mahaba na ang taillight niya. Add-on processor ng Underglow na RGB with different modes via Bluetooth app. With switch na po yan para iwas huli. RGB lamp leg with remote control. Different modes. Pwede mong i-steady ang color fading, and strobe. Sa ganitong na setup na mid to order, usually 3 to 4 months talaga yung ma-finish namin sa conditioning and the engine, the turbo, transmission, aircon, and also the under chassis road test before release. Sa conversion natin, we use secondary gearbox, yung baki-baki. So dito tayo sa solid line shipping, Davao Port to Manila Port only, around 30,000 shipping fee ng mga minivan. Susukatin nila yan height, length, width, kaya yung roof carrier pinasok namin sa loob para makalas pa. Shipping fee shoulder by the buyer, mga boss. So ipasok ito sa container, around 3 to 5 days ang shipping. Sa mga gusto mag-order, just PM us on Facebook page TDM Surplus Multicab, or call us 09177111-243, or visit us Los Amigos, Tugbok, Davao City, dito sa my relocation. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Out sa iyo, Sir Santos, sa pagtiwala ng iyong order from Kumintang, Ilaya, Batangas City. Salamat mga boss, and God bless.